Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use case statement within an update clause. So what I'm going to do here is I am just going to create this table, employee with 3 columns, employee, department, and salary. And then I am going to insert some sample data into it. So I just have 5 rows. And let me select from this table. So if I select from this table, I have those 5 rows now. So let's say if I want to update the salary of every employee by, let's say, 10%, I can just do an updated statement. So I can do update employee set salary equals salary times, let's say if I'm increasing it by 10%, I can just times it by 1.10, and this is gonna update the salary by 10%. But what's gonna happen is it's gonna do it for all the rows. So let's say if I have different criteria for different departments, for example, I want to update the HR salary only by 10%. For IT, I want to update it by 25%, and everything else I just want to update it by 5%. So if I do it using a regular update statement, I can just do something like this, where department equals HR, but then I'll have to write a separate update statement for each one of them. So what we can do is, instead of writing multiple update statements, we can use the case statement here. So I can do set salary equal case department. So I'm checking against the department. So when the department is HR, then I want to set the salary to 1.10, so 10%. Let me copy this. And when the department is IT, then I want to increment the salary by 25%, and everything else I want to increment by 5%. So I can just write an else statement here. So I can do else salary times 1.05, 5%, and then end my case statement. So let me execute it now, complete it. So let's select from my table again. So see, I was able to update the salaries of every employee based on a different criteria. So the HR salary went up by 10% from 50,000 to 55,000, and let's check IT, it went up by 25%, and everything else went up by 5%. So here we can easily replace multiple updated statements with just one case statement. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.